Yo, it's been a while. Now, this video you're about to see is a bit different. It was actually filmed back in 2019 when I was living in Bangkok, Thailand. And it's a video of the Loy Kratong celebrations, which is kind of a spiritual holiday or festival where people worship or ask for forgiveness to the goddess of water. It's mostly celebrated in Thailand and some other Southeast Asian countries like Laos and Cambodia, for example. And it's usually celebrated at the end of October or in November, depending on the lunar calendar. This year in 2019, in 2021, this year it was on November 19th. And so when I saw that this celebration was coming up again, even though it's not celebrated here in Vietnam, I thought I would go back and start editing my footage and put it together, kind of a throwback video. Now it took me longer than I thought, so it's a little bit late, but better late than never, right? So I met up with my friend Anya to go take part in the celebrations and to put our kratong in the water. Now, if you don't know what a kratong is, it's kind of a little floating flower arrangement thing that you put on the river as a way to say thank you or sorry. Now, if you want to know more about the kratong itself, you can click right here. I made another video previously with my friend Anya that you're about to see in the video, where she teaches me how to make my own kratong myself. And she also shares a little bit more about the Loy Krathong Festival. Now, we met a little bit further away from the river, the popular spot where everybody in Bangkok goes and sends their kratong away. So here's our subway ride, tuk-tuk ride, and the whole event. Enjoy.
Just give me.
All right, so this is the place where we put it in the water,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So we're gonna light them up, light the candle up and put it in the water right here.
Exactly.
Did you pray?
No, I'm just saying sorry for the river.
Sorry to the river?
Yeah, to the God.
Now something that's kind of weird here is that you see some people in the water kind of catching those kratong or even swimming and pushing those kratong away.
It's really bad.
It's really bad, huh?
Yeah.
Some people will put something valuable or some money on the kratong, and so basically what they're doing is they're kind of getting them back and taking the money out of them. At first I thought that maybe they're working for the temple, so they're kind of taking those donations to help the temple which is right here behind.
Yeah.
But no, it's not for the temple, it's for themselves, right? They're not working for the temple? the people in the water.
No, just walk, just work for themselves.
Just for
Get
themselves.
money for themselves.
Yeah, so it's kind of, I don't know, it's kind of sad that because, you know, people go through the ceremony and offer money to the river, but I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it. At the same time, if the money is going to end up at the bottom of the river, maybe it's better that some people who need it use it. I don't know.
They get a lot.
They get a lot.
Yeah.
Well, hopefully they're going to use it for a good thing. We didn't put any money on our Kratong. Now that we've done what we had to do for the river, like the whole street near the temple is blocked, is closed down, there's no cars, there's a lot of food vendors. I'm starving, so I'm gonna show you around a bit what it looks like, maybe some street food, maybe what's happening at the temple, and yeah. So they're gonna put this in the water to say sorry to the river?
Yes.
Okay, here river, I'm really sorry, so take some more plastic. There's some fried fish stick, something.
That's fried fish stick.
So what, they made like a
Fish and powder.
fish and what?
Powder. Just fish
And powder. Oh, like dough? Like flour?
No, just powder.
But what is the powder?
Carbohydrate. That is the same carbohydrate.
Yeah, flour.
That's flour.
Flour. Flour. They make bread, they make cakes.
Okay, that's okay, lady.
You taste it first. If you survive, I'm gonna try it.
Yeah.
You're still alive? All right, so I'm gonna try it. It's hot.
Because
Yeah, it's hot. It's good. A little bit sweet, a little bit spicy.
because of sauce.
Because of the sauce? Okay, so it's like a sweet chili sauce on it. It's fishy, obviously, because it's fish. Yeah, it's good. Not like wow, but it's all right. All right, let's try more stuff. It's actually the first time I see this as street food. It's a skewer of salmon. It's really good. It's really soft, tender, tasty. I love salmon. Mm. $10 for a piece of temple poop. Good deal. Usually it's 30, but today is a special day. Temple poop is on special. Love the gong. 177, 78, 179. Nah, I really have no clue what the number is. I lost count. Actually, I never started to count, but I think we're almost there. Maybe like 3/4. So must be around 250 steps. I don't know if you can hear me with all this bell ringing. Completely messed up the gold application part. You know, there's like this little flake of gold between two pieces of paper, but I didn't do it properly. You're supposed to put the paper with the gold facing the statue, but it got all stuck on my fingers. I hope it's not bad luck or something like that. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this Loy Kratong video. I'm gonna go back down. I think Anya is not even waiting for me. She's super tired. So am I. I'm gonna spare you the way back down. It's a bit redundant. And I'll catch you in the next video. Wait. Before you go. As I mentioned in the intro, this video was actually shot back in 2019 during the short time I was living in Bangkok, Thailand. So I thought, while we're here, I might as well share a couple of more videos that I shot during my time over there. So the next video or two are probably gonna be about Bangkok as well. And then we're gonna come back to my regular Vietnam programming. And while we're here, let me show you and give a shout out to the winner of the November screenshot challenge. So there it is. Beautiful, isn't it? Congratulations to Hells No Pants winning the monthly screenshot challenge for a second month in a row. She's the winner of November. If ever you're wondering, what is this? I want to be part of this. You can find a link in the description below to my Discord. And on there, I mean, we talk about random stuff. We also share memes, share music, and you also get notifications when I upload a new video, when I go live on Twitch. And of course, there's a channel where you can share any screenshot that you want to take from any of my YouTube videos or Twitch live streams. It can be a funny one, a silly one, a weird one, a beautiful one, and then the community gets to vote for the screenshots they like, and the winner at the end of the month gets his or her screenshot featured at the end of the video, like this here, and a big shout out, as well as a VIP status and badge for a whole month on my Twitch channel. What? That's amazing. All right, I'll catch you in the next video.